Hello, and welcome to this Little Light mindful meditation practice. Find a safe and comfortable position, either seated or lying down, where your mind and body can relax and engage. Throughout your practice today, allow things to unfold without doing. Practice the art of undoing, observing without judgment, criticism, expectation, without having to force anything at all. Once you're settled, close your eyes and allow your breath to unwind. Allow your forehead to increase. Eyebrows to unfurrow. Your jaw to unclench. Allow your shoulders to unfurl. Chest and back to untie. Arms, hands, and fingers to undo. Stomach to untighten. Hips and low back to unlock. Legs, feet, and toes to unleash. Allow the mind to untangle all thoughts, worries, fears, concerns, releasing it all. Untethered, allow your awareness to move to the external. And for the next several breaths, allow your attention to focus on the places your body is making contact with the chair, bed, or floor. Noticing how those parts feel. Feeling without criticizing or judging. Feeling the connection and support. And when your mind begins to wander, allow those thoughts to unravel without judgment, and bring your attention back to the places of contact with your body and the feeling of this contact, this place of support, of connection. Notice one body part, then another, moving through all the places your body is making contact with something. Then, if you'd like, try noticing all parts making contact at the same time. If this is difficult, that's okay. And if one part stands out more than the others, notice that without criticism or judgment. Allow what is meant to unfold to do so, unforcedly, unaffectedly, and unhurriedly. Take a few more moments enjoying these breaths of undoing, of not having to be anything or force anything to happen. Simply noticing the places connecting to and supporting your body in this moment. When you're ready, bring your awareness back to your breath. Wiggle your fingers and your toes, and then gently open your eyes. Bryant McGill wrote, "You are unfolding with profound purpose. Your purpose is revealing you to yourself. May the rest of your day unfold for your profound purpose, and may your little light always shine bright. Namaste."